Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're exploring Apple's new MacBook Air with the M4 chip, a revolution in performance, design, and value. Let's take a look at what this laptop features and how good it is. First, the design. Apple added a stunning new sky blue to the lineup, joining midnight, starlight, and silver. The sleek, fanless design is thin, light, and perfect for on-the-go use. Plus, it comes with a color-matched MagSafe cable, a nice touch. Now the M4 chip. It features a 10-core CPU, up to a 10-core GPU, and supports up to 32 GB of unified memory. It's 2x faster than the M1 and 23x faster than Intel-based models. What this means: Excel 4.7x faster, iMovie 8x faster, Photoshop 3.6x faster, web browsing 60% faster. With up to 18 hours of battery life, you get 6 extra hours compared to Intel-based MacBooks, a full day of work or play on a single charge. Apple Intelligence and Mac OS Sequoia. The M4 chip powers Apple Intelligence, unlocking features like Image Playground, create unique images; Genmoji, design custom emojis; Writing Tools, enhance your writing; Siri integrates with ChatGPT for smarter tasks; and privacy is protected with on-device processing. Mac OS Sequoia adds iPhone mirroring, Safari highlights, a passwords app, and boosts gaming with personalized spatial audio in game mode. Camera and display. The 12MP center stage camera keeps you sharp on calls, and desk view shows your workspace, great for tutorials or presentations. Plus, the MacBook Air now supports up to two 6K external displays, making multitasking seamless for professionals and students. The MacBook Air reflects Apple's sustainability commitment. It's made with over 55% recycled materials, including 100% recycled aluminum. Packaging is fiber-based, with plans to remove all plastic by 2025 plus. All Apple facilities run on 100% renewable energy. The new MacBook Air starts at $999, $899 for students, $100 less than the previous model. The 15-inch version starts at $1,199. Pre-orders are open now, and it's available from March 12. Conclusion: the new MacBook Air M4 is fast, light, and durable, but there are some limitations with premium prices. If you need strong performance, long battery life, and stylish design, this can be a good option. However, prices and some hardware constraints are also a matter of consideration. What do you think? Be sure to comment. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay with the channel for more tech reviews. Thank you.